With greetings and gratitude to all the lovely people across the world, I would like to welcome you for today's topic on perception. Perception is the ability to see, hear, or become aware of something through our senses, or the way in which something is regarded, understood, or interpreted. What we perceive in any given moment is not only determined by our sensory input but by our personal physical abilities, energy levels, feelings, social identities, and many more. Things that seems true and universal are often just our own unique experience of the world because seeing is believing, which is true to some extent. Our eyes allow us to see what's around us, helping us to navigate our world. If we try to understand the present situation when we are fighting a deadly pandemic and mired in political and social turmoil, if we understand which irrelevant factors manipulate what we see and think, we can perhaps find ways to overcome these influences and make better decisions as a society. In the present world, which is technologically driven and having many medium of communication with several social platforms to express, it has become difficult for many people to differentiate between reality and perception created. Actually, for most people, perception is reality, but it is not so. I would request you to look at the sketch drawn by me on your screen. It explains how reality is complex, that equally valid observations from differing perspectives can appear to be contradictory. Also, let me give you a simple example. When you see an advertisement and create a perception about the product, but in reality, when you use it, it may not be the same. In the similar manner, it is true for anything and every person. As majority of the people are of the opinion that perception is reality, it has become easy to make such people victim by creating a particular perception and make them to identify themselves with that perception. Let us understand the factors that affects our perception. First, our energy level and the ability to utilize it. Say for example, you are obese or tired. Distances will look farther to you. Also, people wearing heavy backpacks see steeper hills in front of them than those without backpacks. Hence, you do not see the hill as it is, but rather as it is seen by you. Also, if you are hungry or not will affect the choices you make as it is directly related to your body energy. Therefore, see that you avoid taking hard decisions when you are hungry. Second point, one's awareness level affects how one interprets their perceptions. Higher the awareness level, better the understanding and interpretation of their perception. This is very essential in this age of technology where there is too much of information available and it is difficult to verify the truth or the facts about the reality. Third point, one tends to believe easy to read statements and those spoken in rhythm. This is because of our education system and the way we are brought up. One may still remember at old age the school days poem which were taught in a particular rhyming. Also, some statements like child is the father of man. For in every adult that dwells the child that was, and in every child there lies the adult that will be. Also, please note this is the biggest weapon that politicians use during their rallies to create a particular narrative and perception in people's mind, knowing well-known fact that our feelings will affect our political views. Fourth point, feeling bad makes things seem harder. Our emotions do the job of giving a red or green signal towards approaching or avoiding objects, people, any situation, and shapes our perception accordingly. Say for example, people listening to melancholic music tend to think a hill looks steeper than people listening to happy music. Fifth and the last factor, having other people around us makes things seem easier. The presence of a other person affects our perception in difficult situation. Holding hands with someone while experiencing a painful event can lessen the pain. Anticipating having to carry a heavy load with someone else as opposed to alone makes it appear lighter. Our social connections seem to play a role in reducing stress, which might be why being with others changes our perception of pain and difficulty, making them both easier to bear. These are some of the factors that directly influence our perception. Hence, to improve our perception, take care of these factors like keeping energy level high, awareness level high, and having better social contacts and sharing. Understand one thing, as explained, there is a gap between perception and reality. So enhance your perception to reduce the gap, and when one has reached a stage when there is no gap, the person has almost reached the peak of awareness. This video is made with an intention that one should enhance the perception level and not fall prey to social media communications. With this, I have made my point. It is for you to see how you can take care of the factors affecting perception. Thanking you for your valuable time. See you again with a new topic. Wishing you all good health both physically and emotionally with enhanced perception.